All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at Apple's new Pro color, which is the Desert Titanium color. I'm very interested in this because I got the natural titanium again this year thinking that I probably was gonna like the desert, so I'm hoping I don't. But let's go ahead and open these. We have the Pro and the Pro Max in this color, mainly because my brother was kind enough to let me borrow his order here, the normal Pro. And okay, that's not what I was expecting, I gotta tell you. Not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting definitely something more sand-like, more dune-like, a little bit more kind of like a dark gold. If I had to guess, like that's kind of what I was expecting. This looks more like the gold iPhones from like 4 years back or so. That's what it kind of looks like, where it kind of had like this pale kind of look, like a rosy tint to it almost. That's what this looks like. Yeah, I definitely 100%. The camera here, it's gold. It's definitely gold. The sides here definitely would also kind of call that gold as well. This is a gold phone. This is a gold, almost rose gold phone. This is not, I would not call this a desert phone. Yeah, it's a nice color. It's just not at all what I was expecting from the pictures online or anything, so I feel a little baited. I'm glad I didn't choose this color actually. I don't know what my brother's gonna think of this color. I don't know if he's gonna like this or not, but you can see it there. First impressions, it's a nice color, and I think a lot of people are gonna like it once they realize what this actually looks like, because Apple should have just marketed it as what it is. It's just kind of gold. I think they just chose that color for marketing gimmicks, but we're back to basically definitely having silver, black, gold, and then natural titanium as the oddball out, which we also got last year. So Apple, good job. You're back to super boring colors for the Pro colors. They're all absolutely boring. Nice, great job. I guess the next one to take a look at would be the white, because it's usually always off-white. I hope it's actually white this year. In the box, you are gonna get just a USB-C to USB-C cable, 2 pieces of paper, and that's it. It doesn't really matter. This is basically trash. Apple thinks so anyway, because they don't want to really include anything in here. They care about the environment, but then they give you basically just waste in there. It's just silly, really. But let's go ahead and take these out. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. Alrighty, so there you go. Here they are. Let's go ahead and turn these around, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the screen films and apply a screen protector for my brother's immediately off camera. And this one doesn't really matter. Just let's see the front here. There we go. Definitely a nice, I really do like the titanium around the sides. I love that color. Let me boot it up real quick. I wish that would have transferred over to the back with the hue, because you can see it there. That kind of does give, I could see that giving desert. When you turn it, and it's this really bright pale color that doesn't look like, it looks a lot like a skin tone to me. It's very close to a skin tone, and I'm not usually liking any type of thing that looks like a skin tone at all. And yeah, but before we continue, a little word from our sponsor today, ESR. They have these new magnetic MagSafe charging banks that are really slim and really nice, as well as their new hybrid cases that are just a fantastic lineup for the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. And I'm messing all this up, but yeah. So 2 of ESR's best accessories right here are their hybrid case with the stash stand that I've been using the past couple of days here with my 16 Pro. It has this camera guard right here that also turns into their award-winning stash stand, and you can see right there it can actually be configured to almost any angle right there, so further out, closer in, and this allows you to basically prop it up to watch some movies, some TV, anything you really want to do. You could even put it vertically like this and then just scroll through TikTok or anything that you want to do. Very nice and very easy how it's there incorporated into the case. Their MagSafe is also incredibly strong. In fact, it's actually twice as strong as Apple's MagSafe on their cases. This means that when you take something like their slim power bank right here, you can rest assured that it's actually gonna be stuck on there and it's not going to come off. And the great thing about their power bank right here is that it also has a stand. So this gives you an even more flexibility. You can use both stands if you really needed to. You can see right there, you can use this in multiple ways, vertical, horizontally, and it's just a great combo. You can even turn it like so. and then use it like that as well, and kind of prop it up to see the time, watch a video at a slightly better angle too, and it really just doesn't come off. The great thing about the power bank is that it also has like an AI built in that's going to make sure that it never overheats or anything like that. So you know how you sometimes grab the power banks and they're a little bit too hot or just overheating your phone. This is going to stay cool while it's charging your phone while you're using it, so that it never overheats. And all this while it charges your iPhone at 15 watts with MagSafe right here, which is great. It also has a little button at the bottom so you can check the battery status. So make sure to check out these products down below in the links, and you can see all the different colors that they had for all the different models. And thanks to ESR for sponsoring this video. All right, so here it is with the screen on from the front. I also just applied a screen protector real quick so we don't scratch anything. But you can kind of see it there. Those edges do look really, really good. I really like the way this looks from the front, from the side as well. Just not a fan of that back at all. And here I'm just trying to set it up so we can see the home screen and see all the app layout and everything here with the color. But yeah, I mean, look at that compared to the natural titanium that we have here. Let me go ahead and click here. You can see the difference there. It's a huge difference. I swear that Apple on the pictures did this color a disservice, because if it really showed what it is, then people would know that they actually like this color and that they want this. So there's going to be a lot of people receiving this color that are going to be like, that's not what I expected. And a lot of people getting other colors thinking that this was a different color, not this, but they would have liked this because they like that kind of lighter kind of shade of gold, rose gold. But yeah, definitely not a desert color on the back. The titanium, sure, but not the back. So here it's booted up and you can see it's gonna give us a little bit of info on the action button, which is a button back here, which you can customize. I usually set that to flashlight. And then we also have the new camera control here on the right side, which we can use to take pictures. Oops, almost set up Siri. SOS satellite, there we go. And we have a purple wallpaper, which doesn't match sand at all. Or sand, I keep thinking sand, but it's desert. Really weird, Apple. I don't know what is happening here, but let's go ahead and click the camera control button so you can see it. You can just always launch camera from there. We can try it. We have the new photographic style, so you can kind of switch through this. This is gonna take pictures with that style that you choose. Let's go back. And of course you hold the phone like this now, and it really stabilizes the phone. You can kind of click, take pictures. You can zoom in, zoom out and zoom in and take pictures. You can also tap and hold, and it's going to start recording a video. So very nice. Let go and it stops recording a video. Of course, the same thing is going to work landscape or portrait as well. However, it's a little bit harder to hold it like that. And let's see, like this. Not too hard if you're holding it like this and recording a video, so that's nice. Now moving on to showing you the phone a little bit closer up here at a different angle. You can kind of see it there. It does change and it looks a little bit better with slightly more yellow lighting, I gotta say. But still, it just looks a little dulled out. Very skin tone-ish, I don't know. They really could have had something special if it really looked more like those sides of the titanium. It would have been really, really nice. Here it is from a distance. Here it is while talking right there. Again, this is the Pro Max, so keep that in mind just size-wise. You want to see the Pro next to it. Let's go ahead and switch it out real quick. You can see how much smaller that is and how much better it looks up to my face. But there you go. That's how it looks from a distance. From a distance, definitely just kind of looks like a gold, rose gold kind of vibe phone, which you might be into. Definitely nice to have more options out there. I just wish they would have gone with more colors. You know, would have been nice to get a Pro pink phone. Something like that would have been nice. Here it is while talking and texting. You can see the 3 camera rings there, and I'm not a fan of the 3 dots. I wish they would have revamped that as well, but I guess next time. And there you see how that looks. Yeah, now with the camera control, if I was taking pictures, this is how it will look as well. I'm zooming in. There you go. Let me know if you like this color. I'm curious if you like this color, why you like it, and what it reminds you of, and how you like it. I'm always just curious to hear other people's opinions. Definitely when I don't like something, don't take it as an attack. It's just me, my opinion. I like the natural titanium. If you hate it, that's fine. I understand that people are gonna like different colors, but I'm always actually genuinely curious as to why you personally like this color more than like titanium or the other colors that we're about to see in the next videos. But here we have natural titanium versus the desert color. Makes me happy. That good thing I chose a natural titanium, or else the return process and everything would have been a hassle. But yeah, interesting. So now I'm quite excited to actually check out the white and the black phones, because I used to always just be the one that would get the black phone, but of course a natural titanium came out, and that kind of reminds me of the original silver iPhone. I still want a pure silver phone that matches the original iPhone release. That still to me is the best color Apple has ever made. I just hope they make that one day, but this is the closest thing I can get to it, and that's why I'm going to keep ordering it until further notice. But yeah, that is the desert color iPhone 15 Pro Max and 15 Pro. Let me know what you think down below. And as always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Goodbye.